Vlogmas day 2. Hannah edited none of day 1.
I don't know how to edit videos.
She did record making coffee this morning, but we're gonna go eat with
Megan and Danielle.
some girlies from Indiana. Maybe we should discuss Crime Junkie since all of that happens in Indiana.
True.
I'm having a bad morning.
Why?
I realized today I have a bulbous head. It's just large. I can't wear hats like this cutie.
You don't. It's just that you have a lot of hair.
It's okay. I read a lot, so I think my brain's just a little more formed than most.
Sure.
I don't read science books, obviously. And I just have a lot of hair. Like, look at your head compared to mine. Yeah, you have like a little peanut head.
You just have a
And
lot
then
of hair.
I have a lot of hair. And I look like a marshmallow in this outfit.
Dimples be dimpling today.
Oh.
Fit check.
Where are you going to fit check yours from?
This is my sister's sweatshirt that I've had for like 10 years, but it's my favorite, so I don't ever get rid of it. My pants that you can't see are Adidas.
You want me to pick you up? And these are Adidas too. Got some jewels?
I do. My engagement ring's from Keysar. My wedding band is getting fixed at Hellsberg's because
She's rough.
I'm rough on them, which I'm not sure how, but
She's rough.
let's see it, baby girl.
I have Sarah O. Funny, our wedding photographer's wife has almost the same ring. It is the same ring, but hers is round, not oval in the middle. Pick me up. This is my Amazon outfits. You will probably find me in an Amazon set every day. I love Amazon. This, also Amazon, Target earrings, and no hat because I have a big head. And I don't have shoes on.
Hat is from Evan Childs, Alpha Fitness.
Is that a workout?
Mm-hmm. I did her alpha female program.
Yeah. But we're gonna go eat. And then, what else do we have to do? I have a water filter to put up.
We need to go to the DMV because living in wonderful St. Louis City, someone stole my license plate tags when we were at Lowe's the other day. Had quite the week. We got married. We had a flat tire on our way home from our wedding.
I fainted.
Desi passed out when we were getting blood work done.
Blood work came back great.
Then I was driving to work on Thanksgiving morning at 5 o'clock in the morning and got rear-ended by a police officer because
she stopped for raccoons.
I stopped because there were 2 raccoons and 2 baby raccoons in the middle of the road, and he was not paying attention and rear-ended me. And then someone stole my license plate tags.
While we were getting a water softener that we thought would fix our house, but we need a water filter. So $1,000 later, we are here.
Yeah.
Wow, we've had an eventful marriage.
15 days of marriage, and that's what's
God
happened.
is tempting. Universe is tempting.
Testing?
Testing us. It's that brain. Let's go eat at our favorite. Listen, I got rid of my Jeep for this Prius, so if Toyota wants to sponsor us, I would really like black rims. How to know you were a Jeep girl. Oh, he's turned around. Dang, you revved her up. We should take...
Speed hump.
Oh my god, we should take leave photos.
It's cold.
It is cold. I want it to snow.
Like, I even took a picture in front of the big chest thing, and then we got in, and I was like, wait a second. I get...
Yeah, so I didn't look at your I didn't look at you.
Yeah, that's...
What is this? This is our litter box from Amazon. If you are not filming like ads and putting them on Amazon, you're missing out, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because we make monies.
Yeah, we made like $800 last month. And then this is our water filter that I'm going to attempt to put in. Hi, Phoebe.
fuller than a tick.
All right, so we were sitting here thinking, we don't know what to get each other for Christmas because we literally buy everything that we want, kind of when we want it. So what are we gonna do this year?
We're gonna adopt a child to buy Christmas presents for at the Salvation Army.
If you didn't know, you can do that. You can pick boy, girl, age group, so you can kind of see what their wish list is. I think everybody should do this. It's through the Salvation Army. You take the gifts there, so you're not like in charge of doing anything, like going to their house, and you provide for a kid. So let's look at some of their wish lists because we have laughed at some of their answers. Okay, so we picked girls, but you could pick boy or girl and your age group. We picked 5 to 7. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So she wants a phone. That's a winner. A bike or an easy bake oven. Clothes 10 to 12, green or red. They like gospel rap. This one wants a whole kitchen. Me too, girl. We just redid it. Rapunzel. And it tells you too, like if there's more than one child, so you could try to find the sibling for it, or you could call. This one wants a tablet. Alright, so which one do you want?
I kind of want to do the one with the easy bake oven.
The easy bake oven and the bike girl? Yeah, okay. So Capri, we just pick it. Hit continue. Don't get my info.
Hey, Navel. Navel, what do you want for Christmas? He said, I want treats, Mama.
Food.
Navel. He's a pretty boy. Oh, winked at us. Pebbles?
Don't get our address, girl.
Pebbles. Pebbles. Hey. Pebbles' hair's getting long. And when her hair gets long, she turns into Mabel. So Mabel needs a haircut. But she's going to get her hair cut on Tuesday.
Alright, I put my address, so you're all good. Alright, so you can actually print their wish list completely. It tells you your drop off. It tells us everything about it, which we'll scan when we go. I love that it has like their shirt, coat, and shoe size, even underwear. So you can just buy all the things that you want and just scan it and drop it off. So we're gonna go shopping for
Capri.
Kid clothes now. Oh, let's go. I wish that there was something that attached your phone to your camera so you don't have to record it like twice in 2 different formats. You know?
You know what we need for this trip?
Sonic.
A coffee.
I'm gonna be up all night, but we'll get a coffee. I'll get a tea. So, one of Capri's biggest wishes was for a bike, an easy bake oven, and clothes. I love an easy bake oven. Alright, we got red velvet and strawberry and chocolate chip. Is that all we want to get? Pretzels, whoopie pies. She likes green and red. Those look kind of boyish. You think she likes metallic?
Sure.
Those are fun. Or just a black one. No, get her a black one. My favorite thing is Hannah saying, is she a horse girl? We have no idea, but she got some.
What you do, Mama?
Working on schoolwork, trying to get a master's in business, but it ain't mastering today. You're forcing me.
Here's Navel, Sophie, Phoebe, Lexi, our little petting zoo.
Sophie, can you give us a silent meow? Sophie. Sophie.
I'm not excited.
Did you order me some DoorDash?
No, because I don't know what you want.
My God, I'm starving.
I don't want a bunch of fried stuff, but I don't know what I want.
Do you want Taco Bell?
You want Taco Bell or Chinese?
I don't really want Chinese.
Okay.
Anything but Chinese.
Our address is on there.
I'm not getting the phone. Pebbles. Okay, we have showered. I look weird, but we've showered. We're gonna order DoorDash and then make our movie tray. We wanted to go to the movies, but the seats are like all sold out except for the edge. So we're just gonna watch one at home. We're gonna watch Bottoms.
Such a flattering angle.
Which is Hannah. And then we're gonna... You get it now?
False.
True. And then we got stuff to make a tray. I got this tray from Target that I have searched for, and it holds all the treats. So, let's go see it. I don't like... Also, this is everyone's sign to put this over their kitchen windows. It's just festive in here. So this is a tray I got from Target. I also pulled this off in the shower, but tray. And then we have these. Popcorn. Reese's. M&M's. They didn't have the Twizzlers that we wanted. We're just going to make a really cute arrangement for movie night.
Looking in your eyes,
I'm going to get copyrighted.
feeling my heart, the start of something new. I'm sure the people and me love you crunching that, and this dog
ASMR.
farted.
He's cute. Also, Hannah didn't sleep last night, so we're debating going to bed at 8 o'clock.
I had a bad dream.
But can't remember it.
Well, then I tried to wake you up to comfort me, and you was snoring.
I am a snorer. I've started to realize it's true. But you don't record it, so I don't know if it's really true.
Well, I ain't gonna whip out my phone at 1 o'clock in the morning to record you snoring.
If you don't record it, it didn't happen. Your hair right now is beautiful. Tell Vlogmas we'll see him for day 3.
I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
You're delusional.